Third time in Arkansas. This is starting to be one of my favorite places. I'm laughing at how we
got stopped by cops.
Man, for the dumbest reason ever. So fucking stupid.
So we were driving in the left lane and we were talking about Grizzly Man, and Alexa saw from the corner of the rear of the side view mirror the flashing lights, and she's like, shit, am I getting stopped? So he pulled over and he was like, I've been following you guys for like a mile. And we were like, we didn't hear or see this guy. We were like, oh, sorry. And he was like, I was trying to get somebody else who's speeding, but you guys wouldn't move over. And so I just stopped you guys.
So retarded. Kind
of a shady story, if you ask me. It doesn't really add up. It doesn't sound like someone that's following justice properly.
Yeah.
Like, you're gonna pull us over because we didn't see or hear you when your siren wasn't even sounding.
But also, like, if the other person, you're trying to stop someone else, why are you stopping us?
Why not just
pursue
us?
The person that you felt you needed to stop?
Right.
That for whatever emergency that if is it really truly an emergency if you're gonna pull me over because you want to get to the other person? It's just fucking.
So for him to say he was following us for an hour or for a mile, I'm just thinking, how come we didn't detect you this whole time?
Yeah. Look how beautiful that is.
That's crazy looking. And it's so hazy.
My God.
Christian, Jennifer, is she Christian too? But,
I meant to grab this and I hit that. Did you get it from as a gift? Yeah, screw Britney's.
Okay, third time in Arkansas. This is starting to be one of my favorite places. It's like the closest, nicest place to Texas where you can do some hikes and camp. So yeah, I'm going to be here for the next few days. I drove in, got in yesterday, and camped. And then we woke up this morning, had breakfast, and we're basically going to be doing this loop around the national forest and hit like maybe 4 to 5 different hikes. So I'm hiking today, tomorrow, and then Sunday I'm thinking about heading back to Texas for that long 8-hour drive. But yeah, I have 2 special guests that'll be popping up some point in the video, so keep watching. But yes, please enjoy the videos thus far with my friends Brittany and Stephanie, and of course Brianna tagging along, my emotional support human that I bring with me on my sleepover trips.
I didn't know it had me. It's the twin fall kind of type of day.
Right, first waterfall of the day.
Wow.
So pretty.
The water?
It does. I like that you got the whole
The ultra wide really helps, and then when I was in the different position, it got a little sunburst right there.
Mm-hmm.
But I feel like it's too much of this.
Yeah. Oh, look at it.
Yeah, I like that. And then another shell. This one's called Alum Cove. Whoa! There's no foot places to put your foot, maybe? That's so cool though.
She's freaking up on you. Go on better than that, Alexis.
Huh?
She's climbed sketchier things than
I think
that.
it's dark and she just kicks.
in a video.
Go.
Popcorn.
I should have got smoked.
Ooh. This is our last day camping. Well, we have one more night tonight, and then we're leaving tomorrow. How'd you sleep, Brianna?
I slept better last night than I did tonight.
Oh, really? Felt like we slept longer this night than we did last night.
I slept better though.
It was also colder last night.
Yeah. Good morning, Dad.
Top of the morning. We're moving campsites because we couldn't get the same one for 3 days straight. This is the last campsite we're changing to. Look! My surprise yes! Where's your bed at?
Situation so they could have their tents.
Okay. I guess we could do Whitaker Point in the evening, like for sunset.
Yeah. So like turquoise. It's so green. It's so blue.
It's blue? You sure it's not green?
Sunscreen set, so.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was the only way to take her down.
Like red. Oh yeah.
Yeah, you look like you be doing.
What you got against black? Oh, it's good. That Onyx coffee. What are you looking for? Campground, then. Oof. We're gonna get Joel's impression of this coffee, y'all. And tell us your honest opinions.
Okay. Smells robust.
Oh.
It's very full-bodied.
She knows her stuff.
I'd give it 8 out of 10.
There was an eye twitch in there.
Yeah,
It was hot. It was hot.
It's hot. Grass said there's an eye twitch.
I caught an eye twitch. What is that?
You better pay attention to those micro expressions. Anywho, are y'all ready to go to that place now? Before they close?
Quiet.
Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Is that who we were waiting on? I'm sorry, y'all.
You off the cliff, right?
This hike has been 10 out of 10 so far. It's pretty incline heavy, but not too bad. It's saying that we've only ascended 59 feet, which is kind of hard to believe. Yeah, it's kind of hard to believe. It feels more like around 200, but
Y'all look out! Look out that way.
They looked at the same time.
say, I believe I can fly, Zora. Sing, Zora. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Every night and day. Yep. I spread my wings and fly away. No.
Imagine karaoke up here though.
Right?
Oh my gosh, I'm standing in the most diabolical way ever. Now bark!
The camera is still rolling.
I just want to piss off the side of that.
Too bad you're not a man.
I don't need to be a man. I'll just squat over it from the back and let it. No, not if I go like that. Just hang off of it like this.
No,
Or like this.
Or like this. Or like hold it and go.
No, not to hold it.
Pull it back.
Hold it open.
Pull it back, pull it back, and stick it out. That's how you do it.
I don't think you would never do that.
That's the feminine way to piss off the cliff. What a great video, huh? Don't you just love Arkansas? Don't you just want to come to Arkansas? Should I make 2 cups or 4 cups? Made everyone want a burrito.
Is that a campfire song?
Sugar rain. What do you classify as a campfire song?
Just sing around the camp. We're gonna go get everything packed up and head on out of here. What a great few days of camping. Much needed. Well, I'm not gonna say it was needed, but much obliged. We definitely didn't need it. You can never go wrong with some camping.
I kept waking up.
Sleeping Beauty.
I kept waking up too.
That's the name of our campfire brain.